वेलकम गाइस टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। और आज मैं आपके लिए एक नई वीडियो लेके आ चुका हूँ जो कि एसएससी एमटीएस पे बेस्ड है। और जो अभी रिसेंटली एग्ज़ाम हुआ था 25 जुलाई को, उसके अंदर जो जीएस के क्वेश्चंस पूछे गए थे उन सब का सॉल्यूशन मैं लेके आ चुका हूँ और ये आने वाले एग्ज़ाम्स में बहुत ज़्यादा फ़ायदेमंद होगा। तो गाइस हम आगे बढ़ते हैं और देखते हैं क्वेश्चंस। सो पहला क्वेश्चन है, आर्टिकल 51 ऑफ इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इज़ अबाउट। सो आंसर इज़ promotion of international peace and security. Next question. Question number 2. According to Article 112 of Constitution of India, the Union Budget of the year called it Annual Financial Statement. Next question. As per Sample Registration System 2018 report, what percentage of Indians population comes under working age? So right answer is 66%. Next question. Who was the founder of Brahmo Samaj in 1828 at Calcutta? So right answer is Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Question number 5. Atomic number of sulphur. The right answer is 16. Question number 6. In which state of India Nuakhai festival celebrated? The right answer is Odisha. Question number 7. Which chapter of Constitution of India discuss the article of Parliament? The right answer is chapter 2. Question number 8. Unfinished is a memoir of famous Indian actress. The right answer is Priyanka Chopra, Jonas. Next question. How many number of players are permitted to be substituted in a game of field hockey? The right answer is no limit. Next question. The first English factory was set up on the bank of the river Hugli in. The right answer is 1651. Next question. Which of the following dynasties ruled over Delhi just after Sayyid dynasty? The right answer is Lodi dynasty. Next question. Jhaveri Sisters are famous for which form of classical dance? The right answer is Manipuri. Next question. Which of the following titles was held by Samudragupta, a ruler of Gupta dynasty? The right answer is Kavi Raja. Dhamek stupa is one of the most prominent Buddhist structures in India. It is situated in the Dash district of Uttar Pradesh. The right answer is Varanasi. Next question. Which Indian state government launched a cleanliness drive called Project CLAP? The answer is Andhra Pradesh. Question number 16. In which of the following events did India not win any medal at the Summer Olympics 2020 played in 2021? The right answer is वुमेन्स हॉकी। वर्धन के संबंध में बुनाई किस प्रक्रिया के बाद की जाती है? राइट आंसर रंगाई और परीक्षण के बाद। व्हाट इज़ द कैपिटल ऑफ इंडियाज नेबरिंग कंट्री अफगानिस्तान? द राइट आंसर इज काबुल। हु विल बी इंडियाज चीफ G20 कोऑर्डिनेटर फ्रॉम May 2022? The right answer is Vardhan Shringla. Question number 20. Which lake of India is the result of tectonic activity? The right answer is Wular Lake. Question number 21. The process of slipping of water into the ground is called infiltration. Next question. Which scientist first coined the term ecological system? The right answer is Arthur Tensley. Next question. The moon moves around the earth in about. The right answer is 27 days. Question number 24. Padma Shri awardee Gadam Padmaja Reddy was associate with which classical dance? The right answer is Kuchipudi. क्वेश्चन नंबर 25, पंडित रवि शंकर इज एसोसिएट विद डैश म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट। द राइट आंसर इज सितारा। सो गाइस हमने यहाँ 25 क्वेश्चन कर लिए हैं। और गाइस अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो प्लीज़ लाइक करें, शेयर करें और सब्सक्राइब करें एसएससी की इन्फो यूट्यूब चैनल को। थैंक यू गाइस।